My example of social bias of sexuality is the game and movie called Tomb Raider with Lara Croft. When the game was first created in 1996, the character was shown as big-breasted and tight-waisted female. Programmers made sure the character appealed to men since men are more likely to play video games than women. When Hollywood produced a movie based on the popular video game, they casted Angelina Jolie, who portrayed the character and fit the body type just like the game. In 2013, they revamped the game and changed the character's appearance, which followed up with another movie. This time, they casted a woman that was less curvy and not as busty as the 2001 film. In the poster from both movies, just by changing the angle of the character, you see an entirely different aspect on what the character looks like. The media often portrays women as sex figures when it comes to certain roles. You can clearly see how a woman can still play an action hero and not have to look like a sex symbol. However, sex sells. Therefore, society makes us think that we must portray women as a sex symbol with half their clothes on, big breasts, and a small waist.